Hello YouTube, welcome back to our kitchen. And what we're going to do today, we're going to cook a chicken and macaroni casserole. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead on and preheat your oven to 350. And I'm going to go ahead and start my pasta. So I have 12 ounces of macaroni here in a big pot of boiling water. And I'm going to go ahead and add that to the pot. And you just want to cook your macaroni until it's done and then strain it, okay? Okay guys, so next thing we're going to do is prepare our chicken. So I have here a searing hot grill. Now you don't need a grill, you can cook it actually in a skillet. Just a little oil spray will do. If you want, you can add a little bit of canola oil. But I'm going to go ahead and grill my chicken. And this is one whole chicken breast that I have basically cut in half. You want your chicken you don't want it real thick, you want it kind of thin. And we're going to go ahead and grill it, but what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and season it. And I am going to season it with some salt and pepper first. So I'm going to go ahead and season it with some salt. Next, some black pepper. Some Italian seasoning. And a little garlic powder. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn it. Not too much noise in the background, baby. And we're going to season the other side. We're going to let this cook on a medium temperature. Okay guys, our chicken is done, so now I'm going to move it to a cutting board and chop it up. Okay, so we want to, like I said, make sure your chicken breast is nice and done. And all you're doing is just basically kind of cutting your chicken up. You know, you can cut in small pieces. I prefer nice little chunky pieces like this. Kind of bite-sized pieces. So this is how I'm cutting up my chicken. And the thinner you cut your chicken, the better. It quickly grills. Because you know, we cooking dinner. Time is always a factor. But it is so juicy and tender, guys. And it's done. Like I said, just cook it on a medium heat and keep flipping it. You don't have to have a grill. You can do it right in a nice skillet. So we're going to go ahead and finish cutting up this chicken. Our pasta, we have that ready. Next thing we're going to do is saute some veggies and we're going to bring it all together. Okay guys, so next we're going to get a nice large skillet. Give it a good oil spray. And we're going to saute our onion. We have a medium onion here. You can go medium or small. I love onions. And I have about 2 stalks of celery here. So that is what I am adding. I'm going to saute these until it's a little softened. Okay, so we're going to just kind of move these around and get them cooked where we get them nice and soft. And go ahead and get your nice large mixing bowl because we're going to combine everything together. I don't have to tell you guys how this is smelling right now. Onions and celery. Smells delicious. Okay guys, so this should do it. I am not cooking the veggies until they limp. Just want them a little soft You know, because it's a casserole, you want to still be able to bite into it, but not crunchy. Okay? So that should do it. I'm going to turn this off. Okay guys, so now we're going to combine all our ingredients in a nice big mixing bowl. So I have here my pasta. I'm going to put that in first. Next, I'm going to put my celery and onions. Just going to kind of mix it as I go. And of course, that hot pasta is going to even soften, make the celery and onions even a little softer. Next, I'm going to add my chicken. Again, we're going to mix it. I'm going to get a little closer so you all can see. So a little closer up, as you can see, we got our pasta and our chicken in here. I'm going to add a can of cream of mushroom soup. So this is the cream of mushroom soup I'm adding in. Okay guys, so I'm going to mix the cream of mushroom soup into the pasta as well. And I need a mixing spoon because this is not going to work. One moment. So now I am mixing the cream of mushroom soup with the pasta and chicken. The next thing I'm going to add to the mixture is a can of rotel tomatoes. Now, if you don't like it to be too spicy, and we want to drain the can of tomatoes, we want to make sure it's drained. But if you don't like your casserole to have a little kick in it, then just get the regular diced tomatoes. If not, I like my food just a little spicy, so I am adding a can of rotel tomatoes. Okay, our final ingredient is the cheese. And we're not going to add much cheese. We're only going to add about, I'll say in this, I would add about 2 ounces of cheese just to the mixture. I have an 8-ounce bag here, but we're going to leave the rest for the top. And go ahead and fold that in. At this point, what we want to do is we want to taste our mixture just to make sure it tastes great. If not, you may want to add some more garlic, some more pepper, some more salt. Let's just make sure it tastes really good. Perfect. And don't remember, you still have a layer of cheese to go, so you want to don't make it too salty. So we still have a layer of cheese to go. This is now ready to go in our casserole dish. Okay, now I am putting the mixture in a casserole dish. We're going to get this all in here. So this should be about 6 ounces left because I used 2 ounces in the mixture. Hey, my parsley, baby. And this guy is literally a meal under $10. And that's it. That's enough cheese. You don't have to use it all. You just use it with, at your own discretion. And I'm just going to sprinkle a little parsley on top. We're going to let this bake basically 15 to 20 minutes until the cheese is melted. And I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys, it looks like our casserole is just about done. And it is ready to take out the oven. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And I'll see you guys in the next video.